time expires. Lets it fly. Oh my goodness! Touchdown LSU! They win the game! They win the football game! The most shocking, improbable,
Three-man rush. Mangum, all kinds of time. Steps into the throw, in the wind, down to the goal line, and caught! Touchdown, BYU! Mitch Matthews on the last play of the game.
The ruling on the field is a touchdown. The previous play is under further review.
Flutie flushed, throws it down, caught by Boston College. I don't believe it. It's a touchdown. The Eagles win it.
unbelievable!
I don't believe it. Phelan is at the bottom of that pile. Here comes the Boston College team. He threw it into the end zone. There was no
Guys over there. 3 wide outs at the top of the picture. Stewart with time. Lets it go. He's got 3 people down there. The ball's up in the air. Caught. Touchdown. Caught by Westbrook for a touchdown. Incredible.
Four-man rush. Raiola gets away from some pressure. Now he's going to load it pretty soon and let it fly. There it comes. Jump ball in the end zone. It's caught! Touchdown, Nebraska! Jakari Barney. Oh, my goodness. Just like they drew it up.
Defense, though. 3-man rush.
Lets it go.
Oh my goodness! Oh no! Ricardo Lewis! One side.
The Big 12 opener comes down to this play. Sanders gets the feet set toward the end zone for the game. It is caught by Worcester, just like 1994.
Seen just a great effort again by LeJontay Western, by Shedeur Sanders to even create under duress to give this guy a chance to see if this ball splits the uprights at all.
Shotgun, 3 players lined up essentially by the goal line. Rush, stepping up, throwing to Kroll, catches the lateral. Here comes Willis, racing to the end zone! Touchdown! Unbelievable! Central Michigan does it!
The ruling on the field is touchdown. The previous play is under further review.
LSU has 3 defensive backs back by the goal line. Anticipating a Hail Mary. They put 3 receivers on the right. Jones plenty on the throw. Beautiful spiral. Corner of the end zone. And it is caught.
Oh, my goodness.
For a touchdown. Justin Shorter. With no time remaining in the half, a 42-yard score.
Well, nobody for LSU even made an attempt to go for the football. Normally, you tell those defenders, just go up and knock.
Here's Cooper, 4-man rush for Florida State, going to cut it loose. Phil Johnson caught it,
inside the 10. Phil Johnson on his feet. He'll cut back, and Jacksonville State has won at the Horn. On the final play of the game, Zarek Cooper throws to Damon Phil Johnson, and the Gamecocks have upset the Seminoles.
Line, McMahon all the way back in his own 46, throwing for the end zone. Receivers are there, defenders are there. It is in the end zone. Who has the ball? Touchdown! Touchdown! Touchdown, Brigham Young!
You got a receiver not sure where he needs to be lined up.
Robinson in motion slot. Here's Bryce. Rolling out. Time to heave it deep. Throws it shy of the goal line, and that ball is tipped around and caught.
Wow!
Caught. Oh, that's a touchdown!
Wow!
Mountaineers win it! Mountaineers win it! Deflection, are you kidding me?
Wow! Wow!
Just like Sean Clark
My
drew it
God!
up.
My God!
McIlvain, tough throw, heaves it into the air. Jump ball, bobbled. It's caught! Jerome Lawrence came down with it on the bobble.
Dobbs heaves it. They're bunched up in the end zone. It's tipped up. It's caught. It is caught. Jawan Jennings. Jawan Jennings. Another hot